What's up guys, now today we're gonna show you CC toggles. This tweak will allow you to add more toggles at your control center. You can add any toggle you want, or you can remove the old ones and replace them with new toggles that come with this tweak. Also, you can rearrange them any way you like. Another cool feature about this tweak is that it allows you to remove the quick launches that came with the stock iOS 7. Now you can have your favorite apps here or some other toggles which come with this tweak. It's really nice. You just go to settings. Here under toggles you have different kind of toggles which you can add to your control center, or here under the quick launches you can choose here some toggles that came with this tweak. You can choose them, or you can go to app launcher and choose any app you like that you have installed in your device and add it to the control center here so you can access them more quickly. It's a really nice tweak. If you like it, go ahead, download it from Cydia. You can download it for free under the Big Boss repo.